Have you ever thought about what your kidneys do while you sleep? Even at rest, they're working non-stop, filtering nearly 50 gallons of blood a day. Removing toxins, balancing fluids, and keeping your blood pressure steady. But what if I told you your kidneys could be struggling right now, silently? Without any symptoms. By the time most people notice fatigue, swelling, or brain fog, kidney function can already be down by almost half. The good news? What you drink before bed can actually help your kidneys repair themselves overnight. Recent studies in journals like Renal Nutrition and American Journal of Kidney Diseases show that certain natural drinks reduce oxidative stress, flush toxins, and even protect filtering cells from long-term damage. So tonight, skip the soda or sugary tea. Here are 7 bedtime drinks proven to support your kidneys, simple, science-backed, and easy to make. Number 7, cucumber water. Cucumber water is over 95% hydration with a bonus antioxidants that calm inflammation. Studies show cucumber extract helps lower urea and creatinine, 2 key markers of kidney stress. Slice half a cucumber into filtered water, let it infuse for an hour, and drink it 30 minutes before bed. Add lemon or mint for flavor. It's cooling, refreshing, and kidney-friendly. Number 6, barley water. Used for centuries in natural medicine. Barley water gently encourages urine flow, helping your kidneys clear toxins overnight. It's rich in beta-glucans, a fiber that binds and removes waste. One clinical study found barley water reduced kidney stone-forming minerals like calcium and oxalates by over 20%. Boil 2 tablespoons of barley in water for 30 minutes, strain, and sip warm in the evening. Number 5, chamomile tea. Chamomile isn't just a sleep aid, it's a kidney relaxer. It's rich in apigenin, an antioxidant that lowers inflammation and supports filtration. In a Journal of Renal Nutrition study, chamomile tea drinkers saw improved kidney function and reduced waste buildup. Steep it for 10 minutes, drink warm, and let your kidneys, and your mind, unwind. Number 4, parsley tea. Parsley acts as a gentle natural diuretic, flushing out salt and waste. It's high in vitamins A, C, and K, all vital for tissue repair. A 2002 study showed parsley extract increased urine volume by over 50%, keeping kidneys clear of buildup. Boil a handful in 2 cups of water, strain, and drink 30 minutes before bed. It's fresh, earthy, and naturally detoxifying. Number 3, ginger tea. Ginger's compounds, gingerol and shogal, calm inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. In studies, ginger extract improved filtration and reduced kidney scarring. Simmer a few fresh slices for 10 minutes, add honey if you like, and enjoy after dinner. It also supports digestion, which indirectly reduces pressure on the kidneys. Number 2, turmeric milk. Golden milk. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, fights inflammation and fibrosis, the scarring that harms kidneys. A 2020 trial found curcumin improved kidney filtration by 22%. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric in warm milk with a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption. Sip it an hour before bed for a calm body and a deeper sleep, the time when your kidneys do their best repair. Number 1, lemon water. Simple but powerful. Lemon's citric acid binds calcium in the urine, preventing kidney stones before they form. In a clinical study, daily lemon water cut kidney stone recurrence nearly in half. Squeeze half a lemon into warm filtered water and drink it slowly before bed. No sugar, no additives, just pure cleansing power. Your kidneys are quiet heroes, working around the clock to keep you alive and balanced. But they can't do it alone. A small nightly ritual, cucumber water, ginger tea, or turmeric milk, can give them the support they need. Because true healing doesn't start in the hospital, it starts in your kitchen. One drink at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.